In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the name of your Facebook page. It's easy. Just follow these steps. To change the name of your Facebook page, we need to go to Menu. We can do that by clicking on the three lines icon here at the upper right corner. Now we need to click on the drop-down icon here at the right side. All the pages of your Facebook account will be listed here. Find the page that you want to change the name, and then click on it to go to the page. I am now in the profile of my Facebook page. We need to go to Menu again by clicking on the three lines icon here. The name of my Facebook page is Mini Arrow, and we are now going to change that. Just scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Here go to Page Settings. Then under Personal Information, click on Name. We can now change the name of our Facebook page. Erase the current name of your Facebook page and then type a new one. Once then, we can now click on Review Change. You need to enter the password of your Facebook account to continue. After that, click on Save Changes. And I have successfully changed the name of my Facebook page.